Baru grand final bro, cowok tuh.
Game 7, Team Falcons. I feel like this draft was the one that they needed. Let's see if we can make it to the full series. It all starts here because right now, after the stomp that Team Liquid had in the previous game, they are riding into the Land of Dawn on momentum for this one. So will they continue it forward or
Sanji
will
cuma
we
bisa
see
zuksin
the
kata
Falcons
siapa
once
bro,
again
tadi Gordnya
soar
gendong-gendong
higher?
bro. Bisa semua hero dia.
Marco and Teddy. We go back.
Selagi menang pakai zuksin ya pakai terus lah.
The walkouts for their teams, how they'll manage the laning, and how they'll manage the eventual mid-game power.
Emblem, catat.
Master Assassin for Super Marco. Expected a Festival of Blood for Teddy. Cause Gwyn jungle will get faster access to cooldowns.
Yep.
After using the ultimate, but there are 2 purifies on the side of Liquid. And it's the main targets for the Guinevere, that Juicin and that Claude. Meanwhile, Marco is the only one packing a purify for the
42 atau 43? Feeling gua 42 guys.
built into the Falcons lineup as well.
Yeah, even with this.
Ooh.
Dapet nggak tuh?
Grab. And he spams TP. You don't see it on screen, but you see it on the map.
Whoa!
Mid lane. Gonna drag him back.
Ogwyn trying to get out of here. JP secures it. And a flicker out of Haji. Might go down as well.
Wah, rungkat dah udah midnya.
The goat is bloodthirsty.
One kick from
Dari
JP,
tadi zuksin
and
mulu.
that's not even the way of the dragon. It was
Game
just
2 main
literally
Gord dia.
an attack. And you've got 2 kills now for Team Liquid.
A mishandling of the trade. Carl Teasy, after going full orange side clear, shows up, exchanges basic attacks, and he shows up just at the right time as Sanji and JP layered their crowd control together. Who in 2026 shows a Genflix Aerowolf emote? That is a deep cut.
That's
dude.
elite ball.
Udah ini mah tinggal
Ball
nunggu
knowledge.
Sanford level 4 perang di Turtle. Gue di skill 2 flicker sama Sanford abis guys gue
Those are
guys.
the times, Joseph.
Pokoknya jangan sampai Popeyes-nya itu kena buka sama Gwen duluan aja guys.
So
Kalau
now
emang
with
pengen
this
Popeyes
lead,
tuh dewa di
Turtles
Turtle
up
guys.
first one of the
Oh
game.
belum level 4
Team
ya.
Falcons is looking like they want to go ahead and grab control of it.
Gak berani loncat belum level 4 guys.
Want to contest? JP relying on the G Kundo here.
It's him.
Diperangin doang paling ini nih.
Members of Falcons.
Nah kan bener skill 2 flicker.
Crimson Beacon. Requiem helps Kyle secure. Turn.
Bantai ini udah sama manusia ungu guys.
Sanji gets taken down. They
Tuh kan?
trade for Kyle.
Tuh kan?
Ogwyn caught inside
Tuh kan?
by Haji.
Tuh kan?
In comes the dunk from
Tuh kan?
40. And 40 gets taken down by Ogwyn. Carl takes down.
Gila kan manusia
the big
ungu, bro.
horse and SOD. No one home. Falcons win, but just barely.
Yeah, Kyle had to use his Violet Requiem. Teddy blazing to win, and they are gonna steal the purple away!
Kyle is hungry. That's his lunch money.
What a perfect play there by Liquid, but Haji got the last hit! Void Blast from the Eve!
Haji says thanks.
Carl didn't have the retribution, so it went from
Gak bang be aja oke.
bad to good.
Yeah. Not too bad. This gives Haji a little bit of a advantage in the mid.
Oh, they dogpile on Asanji. He purifies, but he gets taken down still. Now JP tail end of the Bravest Fighter dodged. Falcons pick off.
That is Onyx-esque.
Mereka ini
How
ngitung
they
sampai ulti
executed
Zuxin
that.
pun
They
dihitung
found
ya
the pick off right
cooldownnya.
away, forced out the Purify from Sanji, but Sanji already took too much damage. The aggression. Falcons needs to keep this up if they want to force game number 7.
Yeah. Just when you thought, Team Liquid was pressing on that same pedal that they've seen in game 1, 2, and even the previous game 5, they get to this point where Team Falcons has responded. That's great for them. They made the adjustments they needed. Super Marco's been able to go ahead and just farm up in his lane. He did throw out an SOD earlier. I'm not sure if he would have followed that up or not, but still, part of this game plan from Team Falcons has been leaning towards Haji, leaning towards Super Marco later in the game, and that's still a potential here.
Mas mau tanya apa benar kata Luminer yang ngerti basic min itu Deden Bogor dan Mas dan beri tanggapanmu Mas Deden Bogor. Ngerti landing pass.
For the CC community, so that
Aduh, Ihsan boleh ngomong kayak gitu, gue bingung bedain bercanda atau enggaknya.
Oh,
Kan sering sarkas dia guys kayak gitu. Ngomong kayak gitu.
Didn't even need to use the purify.
Yeah, that's going to be
Paling ngerti mid lane mah Luminer atuh.
Falcons have to trade it up for the tower up top. How much will they get?
Nggak ada lawan, ini mah juara M1 bro.
Here comes Sanji. RWM, Carl DG secures the turtle off camera. Haji swiping away. Ogwyn comes through. Last minute. Glorious pathway forcing a Crimson Beacon out of Sanji. No dice for Falcons.
Okay, so they trade for objectives. TL doesn't end up losing anybody off of that, but there was definitely an attempt from Team Falcons. They just couldn't capitalize on the kill, so it's pretty much an even trade.
I'd rather have this than them overextend and end up with nothing either way.
Yeah, it's a good thing also that Teddy didn't need to use his Purifier the last one, just the raw power.
Ophiosnya menit 5 langsung main tengah ya.
Festival of Blood, keeping himself alive through raw.
Gerak bareng, clear bareng sama Zuxin guys, biar Harley-nya tajir guys.
That he got, it just allowed him to get out of dodge.
Cuma Hero Pove doang yang bisa kayak gitu kah?
Good moves here on both sides right now. Team Falcons.
Arlott juga bisa guys ya, Arlott bisa guys.
This lineup.
Soalnya kalau misalnya hero XP-nya badan guys,
Super Marco, so that
terus jungler kalian kayak assassin Harley gini, kasih sampingnya guys menit 5 ya.
out of this lane quick.
Tapi harus percaya makro si junglernya guys.
Part of that is
Percuma juga nanti kalau misalnya disuruh isi samping, tapi malah mati kan.
Even if he lands the SODs,
Nih kecuali kalau misalnya lagi kayak gini nih, lagi cycle buff baru boleh isi landingnya guys.
He's right there on
Bagus
that
itu
side
guys
of the
buat
map.
team play guys.
If he has an opening, he'll take it. If not, he continues to scale up on the Moskov. So far, though, your advantage is fighting around Haji. Potentially Kyle's threat like
Whoa!
this.
Requiem finds JP.
JP.
But JP does live. Oh, Haji with the RWM clutch today. Defensive use of the BMI. A pickoff. It's a pickoff.
Carl TZ almost got taken down. If Falcons got that, that would be a snowball start.
Gila darah segitu nggak di-call Jer. Bang kenapa jadi jempol sering kesakitan waktu main game? Itu pertanda apa?
So fearsome in the jungle.
Yeah, that's the threat
Kurang
that we're looking for.
pemanasan aja sih menurut gua.
Oh wow, nice Spear of Misery.
Massive.
Stretching dulu diginiin gitu.
Overcommit. They just wanted the turret. Now Carl TZ coming in. Teddy and JP looking for targets.
Ogwen stuck.
Ogwen holding it down. Ogwen gets taken down here. Carl secures.
So that gives them a clear sign to go ahead and secure the last turtle of the game.
Yeah, a bit of a misplay there by Falcons. Liquid knew that Ogwen didn't have his Revitalize yet. They were counting, they marked it, and they got turtle number 2.
Turtle 3.
3.
Their second.
Their second turtle.
Oh, their second.
Is what I meant to
He
say.
was right,
You were right.
but also.
I am right. So we're all right.
Yeah. We were talking.
Bayangkan bro, Iron Shiki masih ada di TLPH guys. Udah di final dari Paris. Ya nggak?
Falcons needs to start getting towers out of the side. That's like Teddy and Liquid were able to get one up top. So now it's going to be Kyle helping out Super Marco to break this. Just a trade.
Sayang banget ya, Iron Shiki ya.
Oh yeah, they're gonna trade it. Teddy just does a bit of damage to that one, but that will be the tier 1 falling.
That's a lot of minions, man. Even with the damage reduction of the turret, it still took out way too much health.
Oh, and Flap is taking his time. He doesn't trust the map. He doesn't know where JP is. Nor Carl, so he's not sure if he wants to overcommit to the defense.
Iron Shiki, that should be me.
Behind enemy lines.
Keeping
Just
your
taking a gander around.
hand, that
One
should
might
be
say
me.
Yeah, that's
In
very like at
Paris.
this point. They want to go for this tier 1.
Oh
Deadly
my
Magic.
lord! Deadly Magic, it's Hanjo catches it.
Yep, they'll be alive though. A bit of a body block there by Ogwen. Kyle thinking about recalling back to base or
Ya
staying.
enggak, Iron Shiki kan jago juga
Makes
guys.
the right call and goes back. As
Lu
Liquid
lihat itu di Malai bantai-bantai bro.
Falcons time is running out for their mid game, but their time comes back online for the late game through their Moskov and their Eve.
Yeah, that's what they're playing here for. Tier 1 going to be worked on again. TL playing around this advantage of mobility.
Gak lolos playoff, emang iya?
Is centered up. Kyle won't land that. Whoa!
Dear
Super Marco.
lord!
Oh nggak lolos playoff.
Put within an inch of his health. He stays.
Maaf nggak nonton.
Area where Marco spotted out Carl TZ when it was the carry versus the YSS.
Carry was Harley.
Harley, there, thank you.
Look at Teddy again.
Opening up the map.
Marco's getting there.
Yeah,
Flying clouds.
Falcons are lost in their own jungle and in their own side of the river. Because of the threat of the Cho and how fast it can rotate, they really cannot read the rotations of
Gelo,
Liquid.
Flap.
Trust it. Bravest fighter from Flap.
Gelo Flap.
From Sanji.
Flicker kedua, nyos, Gelo.
Blazing to win inside the RWM. Teddy trying to deal some damage. Sanford caught through. Does flicker out.
That's a great pick. This is the Lord up. Carl TZ's still up though, so Team Falcons, even
Alah, si
with
Sanji
taking out
0-3 gini, bro.
Sanji, they still have to be cautious.
They see Harley.
Just like against Onyx. As long as they pick off the Zushin, they are ready to go. Lord here within a tenth of its health, and Kyle secures. Oakland will get picked off though. JP taken down. Flap is wailing away. Will get taken down here, and now Carl and Teddy.
Masih kuat banget ini tim fight ini bro.
And the freeze. Oh,
Si Sanfordnya untuk belakang jir.
Pyrrhic victory for Falcons.
They get the Lord, but
Dapat
they
tengah
lost so
dong.
much Liquid. With the pedal on the gas, Falcons tried to get some kills, but Liquid were able to sidestep and survive. The Lord, though, will still be able to get out of the Falcons base. It spawns now. While Flap is back in 5, Kyle is back in 11. Falcons will be able to push out.
6 games in, one thing is true.
Yeah.
Why?
RWM plus the SOD and the SOM. Haji with a shutdown. Carl falls. Traded out for. Looking for more. Super Marco here. That's too much pressure.
Kena glowing. Aduh.
Just back rather, but it's too much. And there's not much of a.
Wah, dikejar bro. Sanjinya dapat biru bro. Ah, udah kena center Aji kena angkat terus.
Sanji with the Crimson Beacon. Infernal pursuit by Sanford. They both just live. And the lantern flare from the chef.
Ada biru guys, Sanjinya guys, anjay.
Step.
They got the Harley, but it cost them too much. Still, the members of Falcons will return, and this Lord
Ada meledak guys,
will
aman
get
Lord
the charge
pertama.
and pop the passive. In the big picture of the macro, it works out for Falcons. In the small picture of the gold, in terms of the outplays, Carl Teasy is 3 levels ahead of Kyle.
But that never stopped Falcons.
Yeah.
More than once in this series, Kyle stepped up and knew that it was all about utility. And if there's a way for Falcons to slow this down, that's what they gotta do. Time and again in this series alone, you've seen as long as it's slow and steady,
Yep.
Falcons win. But if it happens in the blink of an eye, even if it's Falcons who engages, initiates, Liquid wins.
Oh, look at this.
He's into this.
That's a kick onto Ogwin, RWM, plus the Glorious Battle used defensively. SOM!
Moskovnya,
into the
Moskovnya.
wall. A lot of damage coming in from Marco.
Moskovnya free bro.
Now he takes down.
Wah, nggak jadi free bro. Kena angkat nih sama Sanji nih.
Compromising Super Marco.
Fast, come on.
Hey!
Bagus banget tim fight-nya.
Taken down.
Gila itu, lihat Sanji bro, Super Marco nggak bisa apa-apa cok. Lihat Sanji bro, lihat Sanji bro, kena.
Marco, 4 for 1, and that's a wipeout. Tade is a maniac.
The minion waves are far, but does Liquid have the damage? Does Liquid have the speed to march through the mid and into
Juara kah?
immortality?
They're taking it down the tier 2 turret. You have a couple seconds for Team
8 detik lagi keluar, 8 detik lagi keluar. Nggak bisa sih, nggak bisa end dia.
They'll just get that and go reset.
Slow it down. Liquid have demolished that mid.
Alah, JP, alah.
JP dashes on through, flickers out.
Alah,
SOD
Moskov gila, mati lagi dong Moskovnya.
survives Super Marco into Tade, blazing duet. BMI through, and Haji punches.
Temponya bro, nggak katur bro.
It's taken out here.
Temponya bro, rata sama si God ini mah. Skill 2, skill 1, nyos.
From steady Teddy to deadly Teddy.
Rugi banget Super Marco kalau mati lagi kayak gitu guys.
Members of Falcons who fall, but Falcons also made the right call. But Liquid got the counter. It's not over yet. They're still fighting. This is why they're the Titans.
Oh man, this spear and a great beacon from Sanji.
Nature.
But look at that, Teddy there for the team and comes out swinging.
Still could be anyone's game, folks. But the map is
Sanji dikasih biru lagi ya.
I'm not talking about the color of the Falcons towers. I'm talking about Liquid.
Udah Ice Cube ini pula. Wah,
In control
patah
of
kakinya bro.
Falcons. They're
Kelar
not
ini mah
going
sudah,
to
guys.
allow to fight. They keep on
Depan-depannya
fighting.
patah ini kakinya bro.
Oh, this is deadly dance. Lord here at attentive it tells. Kyle comes in. Teddy.
Teddy yang dapat lagi, diperangin dong.
In comes Teddy. And there's a Requiem, but no follow through. Ogwin here is gonna get taken down. Sanji gets in. Kyle taken out. Teddy
God,
finds
anjing.
another. What's Marco
Sumpah,
thinking?
God.
Chubby wave down bottom. Oh, they sent Sanford back to defend.
Falcons needs to withstand this. Haji didn't use his real-world manipulation, so he'll have it with him. But Kyle and Ogwin are down for too long. And it's 5 against 3. The 4 horsemen and their Teddy. Liquid and the cavalry are feeling it.
It's possible that they turn into the 4 horsemen and the GOAT. There's the RWM.
Teddy langsung diturret cok.
Stand
Anjing piala gua nih cok, piala gua katanya gelo anjing.
to history. A stampede by the cavalry. Going back to back to back.
Back to back to back. Dengar tuh ya 3 kali ya juara ya.
The Philippines Season 17 champions.
We are all witness to a legacy that will withstand the test of ages. Emulated, never to be replicated. Their fierce gallop
Gila.